math, numbers,
sine wave,
coordinates.
radius,
Let's factor. Let's factor more.
polynomials,
Numerator.
equations.
Today I want to talk about a topic that I learned back in 8th grade science. That's unit conversion. Now, a lot of my students have never heard of this, but I've found over the years that this has really helped me to check answers in mathematics to make sure that they make sense.
The basic idea of unit conversion is that the units we want to get rid of, we want to have on the numerator as well as in the denominator so that they cancel each other out. Just like you can simplify fractions in this manner, we can also simplify units. In this example, I'm trying to convert miles to feet. So in order to get rid of the miles, I'm going to multiply by the unit conversion factor, 5280 feet per mile. And now that I have miles in both the numerator and the denominator, those cancel out and just leave me with feet, which is what I want. I'm then also going to multiply by the second conversion, which converts hours to seconds. So in this problem, we're asked to convert from miles over minutes to miles per hour. On a problem like this, I often have students ask me, am I supposed to divide or multiply? That's the benefit of unit conversion in math. It lets us know how to set up the problem. The miles already looks okay. We don't need to convert that, but I know that I want to cancel out the minutes in the denominator. So I'm going to do that by putting the unit conversion with minutes in the numerator, and then hours will be in the denominator, and that will get me to the answer that I want. In this next example, we're given the speed, and we want to find out how long it takes him to go a certain amount of miles. So we're given a distance, and we want to know the time. So again, this is going to help me set up my equation because the unknown is time, and so I want the time in the numerator because currently with my speed, miles per hour, the time is in the denominator, and I want to be able to cancel those out in order to get an answer that is in miles. I've used the variable t, which stands for time, and then I can solve for t. So these are just a couple simple examples of how the unit conversion can help you to figure out whether you need to multiply or divide.
I hope that this video made sense to you. Please let me know in the comments section.